Black joy, meaning the term black joy is used by Black people to highlight acts, experiences, and expressions of joy in their lives and the lives of other Black people. It is perhaps most commonly seen as the hashtag Black joy, which is used by Black people when sharing positive, joyful moments and aspects of life. The term is also often used to refer to such things collectively, and is sometimes used as the name of a movement that encourages Black joy. Use of the term Black joy is often intended as a way of making space for joy and positive experiences apart from, and in opposition to the trauma, tragedy, and struggles perpetuated by the anti-Black racism and oppression of white supremacy, and the pervasive depictions of Black trauma and tragedy in media and discourse. Expressions and acts of Black joy are often encouraged as a way for Black people to fully be themselves and form a sense of community, as a response to systems that devalue them and stifle their self-expression. In this way, engaging in and sharing experiences and expressions of Black joy are seen not as ways of ignoring oppression but as acts of resistance against it. In this context, any act or expression of Black joy is seen as being a form of rebellion that combats stereotypes and negative portrayals of Black life and contradicts the notion that the Black experience is primarily characterized by oppression and pain. Still, the term Black joy is not always used with the intent of expressing or engaging in a form of protest. For many, it is simply a label for positive self-expression or a celebration of happiness. Black joy is often used in the same contexts and in similar ways as other positivity-focused terms like Black excellence and Black girl magic.